Hi, and welcome to the second video of Playing with Books, the very hungry caterpillar. For this project, we need a Makey or a Meow from Electronic Cats. We also need an apple, a pear, plums. In my case, I didn't have any plums, so I used a blueberry, strawberries, and an orange. Also, in my case, I couldn't find an orange, but I'm using a lemon. Now, we also need some alligator clips, and we have to start doing our diagram. Let's see how it works. If you're using Makey, you're going to use the red alligator clip to go from space to the apple. Then you're going to use the green alligator clip to go from the up arrow to the pear. Then you're gonna take the blue alligator clip and go from the right arrow to the plum. Then you can use the black alligator clip to go from the left arrow to the strawberry. And finally, you're gonna take your orange or yellow alligator clip to go from the down arrow to your orange. You're gonna use your last alligator clip to connect it to Earth and also to touch it with one hand. If you're using Meow, you're going to follow the diagram that you can see on the screen. Once you're ready with all your fruits connected, we're gonna open the Scratch diagram on our browser. You can find the link on the comments or here on the screen.
1 apple, 1 pear, 2 pears, 1 plum, 2 plums, 3 plums, 1 strawberry, 2 strawberries, 3 strawberries, 4 strawberries, 1 orange, 2 oranges, 3 oranges, 4 oranges, 5 oranges.
With this game, you can have fun counting the different fruits. Every time you count to the numbers of fruits that you see on the page, it's gonna go to the next page. I hope you had fun with this example. I will see you next time with another book. See ya!